Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Pivy/Ian Does It All. My name is Ian, for those of you who don't know. My dog has decided that it's time to squeak. So this is a really great introduction to my channel. Everything is going wrong. Okay, we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. Okay, so my name is Ian. My nickname is Pivy. So if you want to call me Pivy or Ian, I don't care. Pivy's just a nickname I've had for like 10 plus years. So it's what I made my my YouTube name to be. So I wanted to do this kind of reintroduction to my channel because I feel like I've kind of pivoted what I like to do on my channel, and I wanted to kind of make it clear what my goals were and see if they, I guess, match what you want to watch. Sorry if the table's shaking. I gesticulate. Is that the right word? I don't know. Sounds gross. I move a lot. And so the table's gonna shake. And that's that, I guess. So I wanted to say that when I started crocheting, I was watching a lot of really fantastic YouTubers, and I still watch them, who they are very, like, well-mannered, they're very, they do more, like, traditional crocheting, what I call traditional crocheting, so, like, shawls, blankets, that kind of thing, and honestly, that's never really been something that I've been interested in making. So when I started, I was like really struggling to find patterns and videos of things that I actually wanted to make. And I guess I just wasn't inspired, right? And like in the any artistic process, like inspiration is super important. So I guess I wanted to, sorry, my dad's playing music upstairs, which makes this video even better, because I am super distractible. So I guess I'll tell you a little bit about myself if you're new to this channel or you just haven't seen me in a while. My name is Ian. I am a trans man. I crochet, I knit, I sew, I do, basically, if it's a craft, I do it or I try it. And so that's what does it all, you know, Ian does it all means. And so I just love crafting. I've been crafting my whole life, as long as I can remember. I was always making something. I did beading for a long time, and that was my passion. And now crochet is my passion, and I mostly stick to that. I don't knit as much as I used to, just because I find the process feels a lot slower than crochet, and I am super impatient. So I am married. That's why I'm wearing my wedding ring, to a wonderful lady named Melanie, and sometimes she'll pop up on my channel, but usually she tries to stay off camera. She's not like a camera person, so she likes to stay behind the scenes, which I appreciate and respect. I have a dog and a cat. They're both assholes. My dog is named Riker, after William Riker. Sorry, my phone is vibrating. Literally, this video is gonna be just garbage. So, my dog's named after a Star Trek character from Next Generation, and my cat is named Jean-Luc Picard, also Star Trek Next Generation. My wife and I are nerds through and through, So you will often find me wearing some kind of nerdy shirt or a band tee or something, and that's pretty much me in a nutshell. Um, my my excuse me, testosterone stuck in my throat. So my goal is to say, for this video, is to say, I'm not gonna try to fit in this mold of what I see the perfect crocheter to be anymore. And that is like a thing that I put on myself. No one put that on me, no one asked that of me, but I just like, I was seeing all of these amazing crocheters, and I was putting that pressure on myself to be like them, and I'm not. At least I don't think so. I don't know. I mean, they can have like an on-camera and off-camera personality, just like anybody can. But for me, you know, I cuss like a sailor. I literally, like, right there is a pillow I'm making that says fuck. So, that should, you know, indicate that cuss words flow, freely through me. And, I want to be able to make crass jokes. I joke about, like, sex jokes all the time. I'm literally about to start making a crocheted jockstrap. So this is the kind of thing that I'm like, I get excited about. Like, I get excited about jockstraps. Put that on my fucking tombstone. But I get excited about making stuff that I just don't see a lot of people making. And I really want to just go for it and make weird stuff and be weird and be spooky and be just me. Like, that's just who I am. And, you know, I want to make everything rainbow, and I want to put sweaters on my cats and stuff like that. So, I just wanted to kind of come out, I guess. I've come out several times, I guess, on this channel, but I wanted to come out and say, you know what, like, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the crocheters that I grew up on, but it's just not who I am. I am a weird fucking person, and I'm proud of that. I want to embrace that. I want to embrace it with you, and I want to welcome all the weirdos to come celebrate with me. If you are a current subscriber and you are watching this and you're like, wow, he's a little bit too intense, too whatever for me, and you're not into it, then that's fine. I totally understand. I am taking a pivot from what I was doing before, so I understand, and it's cool. I'm not mad. I just want you to be entertained and have fun. And that's what crocheting and crafting and all that stuff is about. It's just having fun. At least to me. So, I don't know why I do this a lot, but I don't know. So, I guess if you don't like it, you don't have to subscribe. I wish you would stay around because I love all of you guys. But I'm not gonna censor myself anymore, and, I am excited for that future. So, if that version of me that you saw before, was the only, like, acceptable version that for you, then that's fine. Like, that's cool. Like, I'm cool with that. But I just want you to be happy. I want to be happy. I want to make stuff that is weird, off the wall, and, you know, makes a statement, you know, I guess. So, just wanted to make this video to tell you guys that this is kind of a change of direction for me. And it's been happening for a while, but I haven't really addressed it. And I felt kind of uncomfortable knowing that some people who, and like, this is no one in particular, but people who I know who are like very religious or very like, you know, what's the word? I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, people who just aren't crass and disgusting like I am. They, when I think about them watching my videos, I kind of get like, ugh, like, maybe I should have put, like, a content warning or something. And then I feel like, you know what, it's just me. Like, this is just who I am. So yeah, I am going to be kind of changing the format of my channel. I hope that's okay with you. If it's not, that's cool. I love all of you guys. I love anyone new. I welcome new people to join the weird fuckery that I do. And I hope to see many of you soon. And if you liked this video, if you had any feelings about this video, I would really, really, really appreciate. I never ask for comments or likes or subscribers or whatever. I'm not doing that anymore. But if you could do me a favor and comment on this video and just say what you think of it. Because I wanna know if I completed my goal that I sought out to do. So, if you could do that for me, I would really appreciate it. And I love you guys, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.